All right, hey, Josh here, Attica Lumber Company. All right, here's the setup here. This is actually about day three and a half here. They got rained out, but you can see the progress they've made here. 50 by 120. You can see part showroom right here. And then this is gonna be the storage shop area. This guy's one of the top small engine repair guys in Northwest Ohio, but here's what he's got going on there. So you can see they're working on the sidewall steel, and you can see they're putting up the soffit and the fascia right now. With the roofs on and making pretty good progress. Again, day three and a half days, maybe a crew of 5. Again, you can see the equipment that they have. But you can see the showroom right here, put in the windows. You see, this could be a nice touch here. Grid windows, silver line. You probably can see right here, house wrap obviously applied. And then a nice little porch out there. You know, give it a little ambiance, give it a little bit of character when customers are walking in there. And we're gonna have the showroom in there, but let's take a look at this. A Therma-Tru door right here. All right, and then also let me just pan over here. But you can see the concrete again. He's gonna put a vinyl backer down here. He's got the existing pad already in place. We went around that, but he's gonna put a vinyl flooring there. It's gonna be a really nice showroom. And you can see there's a lot of clutter here, but we'll get this cleaned up. These guys move quick, but the end result, boy, we'll get this definitely cleaned up. So we got windows here again on the side wall there, and then let's see here the elevation change here. Kind of like this. If you're looking to put a shop and then your storage room, you can see how the trusses here, we changed the pitch, or not the pitch, but the elevation of the trusses. But this is a 412 pitch on this building. And vapor barrier here, we got the carve outs for the overhead doors here. Getting that situated. And you can see he's got, I like to call those privacy. I wouldn't call them privacy windows, but they're windows that are higher up on the post frame building. That way people can't see in what you have. And that's a nice touch as well. So let me just pan around, kind of give you an idea of what's going on here. Again, trusses 4 foot on center, not 8 foot, 9 foot on center. You can see we don't notch them on the pole. Let me go over here, I'll show you here. You know, we don't notch them right there on the pole. I know a lot of builders, they want to do that. But again, we think more lumber. If you put them 4 foot on center, you're definitely going to have more lumber running through the building. So that is our MO, our main objective here. 4 foot on center, truss spacing, and we think that adds more value, more lumber to the building. And again, it's the 2100 MSR machine strength rated lumber, 2x6 bottom cord, as you can see right there, and then also the 2x6 top cord as well. So kind of give you an idea there, making progress again, day three and a half here, 50 by 120 here in Seneca County, Ohio. So keep up to date on the finished product, but more information, you can visit our website, atticalumber.com, and keep following the journey. Attica Lumber since 1925. Hey, by the way, if you liked the video, boom, thumbs up.